Good Wednesday morning. It's the 25th day of the month, and what we're going to get into today is becoming less humid. Another front's coming through. So yesterday it became muggy. We did see some isolated to widely scattered storms, much of those in our north and also northwest counties, and some of it pretty heavy out toward Clay Center. We're looking at Junction City right now, where the air is essentially calm, very light wind if anything. Same thing happening for the capital city with wind at 5 miles per hour or less, and we do have a lot of cloud covers. The clearing line is out towards Salina and Abilene and gradually working from west to east. Dew points will drop. Yesterday they got up to near 70. Today probably dropping off into the mid and upper 50s, and so we'll see considerably drier air working in. In fact, that's already trying to happen out here to the far west with dew points closer to 60, but around Topeka it's still at 68. Kansas City a dew point barely below 70. Southwest wind for the big city there at 7 miles per hour. In the capital city it's a very light breeze, mainly out of the south, but we do have a north wind in Marysville, a north wind in Concordia, and we should start picking up a northwesterly wind area wide, and then it looks like a northeasterly breeze through the afternoon. 73 in Memphis, 72 in Tulsa, and still 70 in Wichita, but again much cooler back here to the northwest with low 50s at Goodland and Colby and North Platte, and getting over toward the Hastings area. So all this gradually working in, and that will take place all day today. So the sunshine is going to try to warm up the ground, which in turn warms up the air near the ground, but with this cool air sort of filtering in, there's only so much we can go, and that's probably about 80 to 81. So the cloudiness gradually kind of gets taken out. The air becomes so much drier, and we'll have a ton of sunshine. And then Thursday morning, we're mainly clear. And once we go through the day, though, the moisture starts returning just like it did this last time. So it will become a little more humid in the late day period. We'll have some clouds, might be showers south of us. And then once we get into Friday, we're going to have developing showers and thunderstorms. And it's all a question of how quickly do those push out. Do they linger into the 6, 7, 8, 9 p.m. period, or do they gradually leave just before sunset? So for today, working through the 60s and the 70s and getting up to 81 with the wind at probably some 10 to 15, maybe 20 miles per hour. And that's going to be out of the north and northeast. 57 through the overnight, tiny chance of a shower, but otherwise the air pretty dry and stable. Certainly a cooler start to Thursday. Should be really crisp. And then as we go through the day, we'll get up there to about 78. Loads of sunshine, light breezes. So tomorrow, a near perfect day. And then once we get into our weekend, we have the shower and thunderstorm chances, especially late Friday into Friday evening. And then for Saturday and Sunday, some periodic storms with upper 70s to low 80s. And then once we get into next week, we're going to be fairly warm initially, probably in the low to mid 80s, but by Wednesday and Thursday, there could be a really strong front that drops us off with highs in the 60s to near 70.